This is Pretend Farmer Girl, and what I did is pulled up all of my sweet potatoes, and I wasn't sure how many I would get, but I think I got about 15 pounds. But with all these greens, I am going to clip off the leaves and dehydrate them and then turn them into a powder. I'm going to take some of these slips and replant them out in my garden over there, like somewhere out of the way, so that they can just do their thing for however long they need to without it holding up space in my raised beds. I cut all of the leaves off of the vines and started rinsing them. I rinsed them about 3 times, and they were just so full of dirt that I ended up taking them inside and doing a better rinse. You can see the dirt in the bottom there after 3 rinses. Then I gave them a quick towel dry inside, and I did this in groups because there were so many of them, and I did a slight chop so they could fit in the dehydrator. This is my Excalibur dehydrator, and I have it on the living foods section setting because I don't want to cook the good vitamins out of it. I layered them on the shelves, and I had to go through this process multiple times because there were so many leaves, which I didn't mind, but it did take a while, probably over the course of about 12 hours, because I wanted to make sure that they were nice and dry. And then I crumbled them up with my hands, put them in my dry mix container on my Vitamix, and voila, I have sweet potato leaf powder. This is Pretend Farmer Girl signing out.